Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now, park safely, engine off, and set the handbrake. Use a trim tool to pry the leather boot collar up about 1/2 inch. This exposes the retaining bolt or clip under the collar. If you see a 12 mm bolt, loosen it with a socket. If not, look for a C-clip and gently pry it out. Once the collar is lifted and fasteners are removed, you can begin to work the knob free. Keep a firm grip and prepare to rotate while pulling upward. Once done with the collar and fasteners, place one hand on the shaft and rotate the knob counterclockwise while pulling upward. This helps align and free internal detents. If the knob resists, insert a small flatpick or screwdriver into the gap to depress the spring tabs or retaining clips inside the shift shaft. Make sure you feel the tab move before pulling. Work slowly to avoid breaking plastic tabs. Intermittent twisting and gentle upward pressure usually separates the knob without damaging the shaft or boot. When the knob finally comes free, inspect the shaft for any remaining clips, a threaded insert, or damaged tabs you need to replace. Clean the contact surfaces and test fit the replacement knob before final assembly. Then reverse the steps. Push knob onto shaft, align, tighten bolt or reinsert clip, and snap boot collar down. If the knob sticks during removal, apply a small amount of penetrating lubricant and let it sit 10 to 15 minutes, then retry.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.